In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all bookmarks from Google Chrome. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting bookmarks removes them from your current Chrome profile, and if you use Chrome Sync while signed in, the changes will sync to your other devices using the same account. That's great if you want a clean slate everywhere, but it also means there's no easy way to recover them later unless you undo right away or have a backup. With that in mind, let's walk through the process carefully. First, open Google Chrome and look at the very top right corner of the window. Click the three-dot menu icon. This opens Chrome's main menu. From here, move your mouse over the Bookmarks option to expand it, then click Bookmark Manager. This takes you to the place where all your bookmarks are organized, making it the fastest way to remove everything at once. Inside Bookmark Manager, you'll see your bookmark folders, typically things like Bookmarks bar and other bookmarks. Find the top folder you want to clear. Right-click that folder to open a small menu. If you're using a trackpad or a single-button mouse, a two-finger click or holding the Control key while clicking will open the same menu. In that menu, click Delete. Chrome may ask you to confirm. Once you agree, Chrome will remove that entire folder and everything inside it. This is the key step that clears all items in one go, instead of deleting bookmarks one by one. If you have more than one top-level folder, repeat the same action for each remaining folder. For most people, that means deleting both the Bookmarks bar and other bookmarks. Keep going until all the top folders you want to remove are gone. When you finish, your Bookmark Manager should be empty, and your Bookmarks bar in the browser will no longer show any saved sites. A couple of useful tips as you wrap up. If you delete something by mistake, immediately use Undo from the menu or the standard undo shortcut to reverse the last action, as long as you haven't closed the tab yet. If you're signed in and syncing, give Chrome a moment to update across devices. Also, if you're using a managed computer, like one from work or school, some bookmark folders might be controlled by an administrator and can't be removed. That's it. You've cleared all bookmarks from Google Chrome quickly and safely. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fresh start.